Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: your OS, a valid poker tracker for license, and that your poker client writes hand histories. Next, install PT4 and any required Visual C++ redistributables. This ensures the database engine runs smoothly. Once done, create a dedicated hand history folder and configure your poker client to save hands there. You do this now because PT4 imports only those files. By preparing the folder and installs first, you avoid import errors and speed up the next steps. Now create your PT4 database. Choose a name and storage path with ample space because databases grow quickly. Then configure the import settings and point them to the hand history folder you made. Enable background import so PT4 ingests hands automatically. Next, map player aliases to unify stats across accounts and set HUD profiles and pop-up windows tailored to cash or tournament play. Make sure to configure filters for game types so your stats remain relevant. This reduces noise and improves and finish by loading a HUD profile and positioning it on a real table, adjusting font size and colors until readable at your table resolution. Then run a manual import of recent hand files and compare a handful of hands to PT4 parsed results to confirm correctness. If stats look wrong, make sure the poker client's hand format is supported and that PT4 has folder read permissions. Finally, consult PT4 import logs. They explain parsing errors and let you fix missing hands quickly so you can get back to play.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.